Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to install UNKNOW apps on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And if you want to install on this phone some apps from other sources than Play Store, you can do it. For that, you need to go on your phone to settings and here swipe and tap on privacy protection. Swipe again and here we have special permissions. Tap to go inside and again if you swipe here we have install UNKNOW apps. And from here you can enable to install apps from other sources like Chrome or from Mi browser or receive it from WhatsApp. To do it, it is very easy. Just tap, for example, on Chrome and here enable allow from this source. And read careful because install apps from unknown sources is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So first, check here that you are aware of the possible risks and then tap OK. And now you can install apps from Chrome. So it is easy to do it. Also, if you tap here on more, you can enable show system apps. And here we have Bluetooth, for example, and you can enable also allow to install apps received from Bluetooth. Tap here to enable and that's all. So it is easy to do it, but be very careful because apps from other sources than Google Play Store can be dangerous for your phone. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.